Hey guys, good morning. This is still morning. Yeah, good morning. Um, for today's vlog, ano ba yun? Tsaka ng buhok ko. So, today we are going to Ikea. Mamimili tayo ng, bibili tayo ng sofa, tsaka bagong dining set. Not dining set, chair lang, upuan lang. Tapos, mga um, um, baby mattress. Na-email. Wait lang, guys. Okay, it's nothing. Alright. So, ayun. Bibili na tayo ng mga, mga kakailanganin for baby. Ayan. Kahapon, yung friend ko, dinala niya na yung bibigay niya mga gamit sa akin for the baby kasi, nung nanganak siya, of course, syempre, hindi masyado nagamit ng baby niya yung mga gamit kasi bumalik sila ng Pilipinas. So, binigyan niya ako ng 2 stroller. Tapos, isang parang baby swing. And then, baby bath. Tapos, bibigyan niya rin ako ng baby swing ko. Crib siya, crib. Pero maliit lang yun siya. Bibilihan na lang namin siya ng mattress. Ang problema lang is, dapat kasi today, bibili kami ng tawag dito, ng baby crib, yung malaki talaga. And until 5 years old to 6 years old, magagamit niya na. Pero bibigyan ka sa kaibigan ko next week. Dadalhin niya dito. Hindi rin kasi nagamit yun. So, ayun. Nag-aayos lang ako para makapag-ready na. And, ayun. Malayo pa naman yung IKEA dito. Magpa-ano lang ako. Magpa-foundation lang ako. Tapos kilay. Ayun lang. Nailalagay sa mukha ko. Maglalagay ng masyadong. Then, mag-foundation na. Mag-blush on lang ako. Baka hindi na rin. Minsan kasi tinatawag talaga maglagay ng kung ano sa mukha ko. So, ayun. Yan ang agenda natin today. Actually, gusto ko talaga pumunta ng Oriental. Bangbang Oriental. Kasi daming choices talaga ng pagkain doon. Face powder lang. Nakapaglagay na ako ng aking skincare. Well, ang plan na hindi maglagay today. Kasi sabi ko, sige na nga, kasi yung weather, paiba-iba na naman dito sa UK, ang weather is baliw. Baliw talaga. So, yun. And, ano pa ba? Ano pa ba sasabihin ko? Actually, ang dami kong gagawin na sit down, story time. Pero, baka next week ko na siya i-film. At ang haba na naman ang bangs ko. Yan, haba na naman niya. Kailan ko na naman siyang gupitan. Yan, so magkikila lang ako. Then, hindi ko alam maglagay ako ng lip tint kasi maglagay ako ng lip tint. Hindi rin naman makikita kasi naka-face mask ako. So, parang useless lang din. So, ayun. So, guys, I'll see you guys later na IKEA. And we'll do haul. But hopefully, makahanap kami ng sofa dun. Kasi, yung sofa na gusto ko nasa Argos. And, ang mahal kaya ng sofa sa IKEA. Tsaka 2-seater sofa lang naman yung kailangan namin. Hindi yung masyadong malaking kasi, di ba studio flat lang naman kami. And, hindi ko pa alam kung kailan kami makahanap ng bagong lilipatan. So, probably pagkapanganak na ni baby, hopefully makalipat kami sa mas malaking bahay. So, ayun. But for now, it's okay. It's not such a big deal to me. Like, as long as my roof, especially na kung yung nangyayari dito ngayon na may COVID tayo, hindi ganun kadali na mag-rent ng mas mahal pa. But hopefully. So, I'll see you guys later. We are in IKEA. Long line, guys.
Very long queue.
Yeah. Long queue. So, we're thinking to get this one, guys. Because it looks more comfortable and it's perfect size. Is it not perfect size?
So there is 20 pounds.
Or
plus
this one.
leather.
This is it. Then, but this one is quite hard to maybe to fix, to clean. No? Or this one. I like this one. But if you're gonna get more, but there's a cheaper one, guys. Ito. 80 pounds. This is just 80 pounds. I don't think so. It's. Oh my god. No. I want this one. Are we able to bring it home? If it's this, we're gonna get this one.
$10 years guarantee.
10 years. That's to you. That's you, no? That's you. Or this one. Let's find more, yeah? Just take a picture of both of it. Then we can just decide later. Did you take a picture of the chair, how it looks like?
Huh?
Did you take a picture of how it looks like? The chair. Is it there, no? Huh? This one. Bago nilang. Sige.
Hey.
Hey, why is it hey?
Hey.
Did you order food that day?
Yes,
I'm
I did.
so
And
hungry.
did I order?
Baba is
The
so
problem
hungry.
is now is doing this social distance, so it's quite hard to get any table, any food, and they lost. They're looking for the table, the right number. The system is changed. I see it's not really organized.
It's not that organized.
Yeah, crazy.
This one is not Joyo. Guys, dito pa rin kami. And it's already almost 4 na. Almost 4 p.m. Hinahanap na lang namin yung sofa. Hindi kami nakabili ng cover. And here, yung mga
903.
hinahanap namin. Super. Storage lang kami. Oh my god, yung pa ako. So, yun. I'm so tired.
It should be somewhere
I'm
here.
so tired, guys. So, we'll have a look for the sofa. Yung napili namin,
28 and 29, look.
Yeah, but the thing is, there's no... Okay, one sec. Babalik ako, guys. Hi, guys! Nakauwi na kami. So, I'll just show to you guys kung ano yung nabili namin sa Ikea. So, ito, yung dalawang bagong... What's that? Nahihirapan ako. Parang dining chair. Hirap, diba? Dining chair. And then, eto, umali rin kami ng kasi ano lang siya, tag dito. Kailangan siya ng, what's that? Kailangan ng, padding. Padding ba tawag doon? Ewan ko. Basta yun. And then, bumili ako ng organizer. Ito. Tapos, organizer again. I'll just show. Organizer. All of it is organizer. So, dapat bibili rin kami ng sofa. Kaso, yung sofa na gusto ni Monzi, wala. A bit sad, but it's okay. Siguro, babalik kami ng Tuesday para bilhin yung sofa. Sabi nila Tuesday daw, magkakaroon ng stocks. So, hopefully na meron.